Good morning, friends. In last class, we have solved many of the questions, like question number 10, question number 18, और मैंने आपको एक क्वेश्चन भी दिया था, क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, नितिन, तरुण एंड अमर वाला। आज हम इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व भी करेंगे। ये क्वेश्चन की कुछ अलग अलग पार्ट्स हैं। तो बेटा, इससे पहले मैंने आपको बताया था, इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए आपको सबसे पहले ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व आना चाहिए। तो अब क्या करेंगे बेटा, आपको क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है इन्वेस्टमेंट, दे रखा है ₹4 लाख का, इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व दे रखा है 60,000। अब आगे सिचुएशन से मैंने आपको बताया था इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व की 3 कंडीशन होती हैं। व्हेन देयर इज नो रिडक्शन इन द मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, if any reduction then how much, whether it is less than of investment fluctuation reserve or more than. Now we'll solve the case first. When its market value is not given, means you have given the book value of investment 4 lakh but market value is not given in the question, situation number 1. So you will assume that if the market value is not given, then we will assume that investment is the market value of investment is equal to the book value of investment. Means neither the investment value is to be reduced nor to be increased. Investment market value is also 4 lakh. So you have to distribute it all the investment fluctuation reserve in the partner's capital account. The entry will be investment fluctuation. I have used abbreviation because of shortage of space. So investment fluctuation reserve account debit to Nitin's capital, to Tarun's capital, to Amar's capital. Investment fluctuation reserve is 60,000 and the old ratio is 2:2:1. So you have to distribute 60,000 in the ratio of 2:2:1. So the Nitin's capital will be 24,000, 24,000 and 12,000. Clear? Next case, when its market value is 4 lakh. In last case, there were no market value. Then we have assumed that market value of investment is 4 lakh. In this case, investment market value is given, which is 4 lakh. Thus, the entry will be same: investment fluctuation reserve account debit to Nitin's capital, to Tarun's capital, to Amar's capital. In second case, entry will be same because the investment market value is not reduced. It is 4 lakh right now. Next is when its market value is 4,24,000. Means book value of investment is 4 lakh. Market value is 4,24,000. So there is no reduction in the market value of investment because investment value is increased, not decreased. So if the investment value is increased, then whole amount of investment fluctuation reserve will be distributed to the partner's capital. That is why again entry will be same: investment fluctuation reserve account debit to Nitin's capital, to Tarun's capital, to Amar's capital. In first 3 cases the entry will be same. Why? Because there is no reduction in the market value of investment. Now it's turn about case number 4, when its market value is 3,70,000. Now the market value of investment is 3,70,000. Book value is 4 lakh. Means there is a reduction of 30,000. So what you have to do? you have to do, the entry will be, you will take the help of revaluation account or directly revaluation account. I'll communicate face to face, but right now the entry without revaluation account, I have already told you that investment fluctuation reserve account debit to investment to partners capital, and partners are Nitin's capital, Tarun's capital and Amar's capital. IFR is 60,000. Reduction value is 30,000. 30,000 is used from IFR. Remaining 30,000 will be distributed in the partners capital in old ratio. So remaining 30,000 you will distribute in the partners with the ratio of 2:2:1. So the amount will be 12,000, 12,000 and 6,000. Last case, when its market value is 3,10,000. Now the market value is not 370, is 310. So the reduction in the investment market value is 90,000. See, investment value is falling down up to 90,000 rupees and IFR is 60,000. Means IFR is less than the reduction amount of investment. So now you don't have any amount to distribute in the partners capital account. In fact, you have to charge from the partners. क्यों? क्योंकि आपका जो इन्वेस्टमेंट की वैल्यू घट रही है बेटा, वो घट रही है 90,000 रुपए और आपके पास IFR है केवल 60,000 रुपए. तो अब आपके पास पार्टनर्स को देने के लिए तो कुछ है नहीं, उल्टा पार्टनर से चार्ज करेंगे. देन एंट्री विल बी IFR डेबिट, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट. अब पार्टनर कौन कौन है बेटा? नितिन्स कैपिटल, तरुण's capital and Amar's capital. We'll debit all the partner in old ratio. 30,000 rupees. You know that there is a lack of 30,000, so you will charge 30,000 from the partner in the old ratio. So 12,000, 12,000 and 6,000. I hope investment fluctuation reserve concept is clear. In next class, we'll solve the balance sheet problem, revaluation of assets and reassessment of liability. Till that, please stay at home. Please keep practicing. Bye bye.